Hi darlings, so today I'm showing you the Real Techniques eye brushes. These are the everyday eye essential brushes and you get 8 of them in the set. So I already have these. I bought them again because they're on sale, and I always like to stock up on the Real Techniques brushes because I love them and you never know when you need new brushes. So I was actually gonna throw out the ones I have because they just looked really bad. I didn't think I could get them back to life again, but I was able to change that. So as you can see now, I was able to make them look shiny, clean, just like new. And the way I was able to do that was with these 2 products. So I used the e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleanser and I used a makeup eraser wipe. Now you don't have to use this. You can probably just use like tissue paper or anything normal, but I just used that because I was in my vanity and that's what I had near me. But I found this was helpful because I think it has some sort of alcohol in it, so when you like spritz it on the brushes, it really gets off the old stuff that was on there. Like I can show you an example. If you look at like my Morphe brush, like it's kind of worn off on the brush and it just makes it look old even though it's not super old. So I found that like as opposed to using a regular soap, that spray helped get it off a lot better. So that's definitely something I will be using more often. Now going back to the brushes, so since I already have all 8, I'm not going to be opening this up yet. I'll save it for next time, but the back of the box will help us know like which brush is which. I'm using the r.e.m. Beauty by Ariana Grande's eyeshadow palette, and these are the colors. They're pretty neutral because I wanted to just show you how to do a neutral look. And this is the shade called Babydoll, so all the colors are from the Babydoll collection. So this is the 308 brush and it's for medium shadow. And what it does is it's a flat tapered bristles brush and you can use it to sweep and blend cream or powder base shadows. So the way you see, like it's really wide, which allows it to fit all over the lid, which is why it's perfect for the first step in your eyeshadow routine. So I'm going to use this lightest color as my base color for my eyes, and I'm using the 308 brush. So as you can see, like it's pretty much all over the eyeshadow area, and because it's like a light color, this will allow the other colors to pop up better, and that's why we're going to use that as our base. So this is the 307 brush and it's a shading brush, and it has short and dense bristles and it's used to build creamer powder color and intensify coverage. So as you can see, this one's a lot smaller than the previous one and the bristles are close together so you can really pack on the color. Now I'm going to be using this tan kind of color, and this is with the 307 brush, and I'm just going to like go on the lid area but not in the crease. So as you can see, the color is like super light. I made it look super natural because I didn't want to go all out. But that was the color that I used. And now we're going to go towards the crease, which will have those darker colors and give it more dimension. 310, and it's called the Essential Crease Brush. So it has soft tapered bristles and it's supposed to blend powder accent colors seamlessly. I'm using the second darkest brown color, not the darkest. And I'm just gonna go on like windshield wipers, and once again, like I'm going for a natural look, so this eyeshadow is not gonna be too crazy. So as you can see now, there's a bit more dimension to my eyes. And then we're going to go on with another brush to build it up a little bit. So this is brush 304. It's a defining crease brush. So it basically has ultra tapered bristles, and then it's supposed to line and blend shadow on the creases of your eyes. I'm going in with that same brown color, but instead I'm using the 304 brush. It's just going to add a little bit more dimension. And that's what it looks like with the 304. This is brush 332. It's a smudge brush that you can have to blend and blur liners and shadows across the lash line. And as you can see, the bristles are densely packed and it's a dome shape. 332 is a smudge brush, but I'm actually going to use the glitters on here to add more pizzazz to the eyes. So first I'm going to start with this color on the inner corner. And then I'm gonna use the back of it to use the other glitter on the rest of the eye. This is the 311 brush and it's called a fine liner brush. So it's perfect for using a liquid or gel eyeliner and you can make sharp lines with this. Now I don't have any gel pot type of eyeliners on me right now. So what I'm gonna show you this brush with is I'm gonna use the darkest color and I'm going to show you what that looks like on the lash line. This is brush 313. It's a definer brush, so it has this angle cut to it, and that's how you get those crisp, precise lines when you're using a liquid or gel eyeliner. To finish things off, we're gonna go in with black eyeliner. Now for the black eyeliner, I'm actually gonna use the 313 brush, and what I'm gonna do is I have like a pencil eyeliner here. So this is a pencil eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna use the brush with this. And that's what the eyeliner looks like with this brush. And to finish it off, I'm gonna just put on my mascara and glasses. This is brush 312 and it's a lash separator brush, so it has the metal comb. And I like to use this whenever I feel like my mascara is too chunky and I have too much on my lashes. I use this to take off any excess mascara if there is any. And I don't use this every single time. It's mostly when like my lashes are too chunky. And that's the final look. So this is what my eyes look like. Bye.